Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 50 by 40 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas, to which I've added some charcoal grey, and I have turquoise, white, cobalt blue and gold, and I want to do a travelling ring pour, and this is my PVA glue, but I keep the bottle so then I can put paint in them, and that in the background is my bird carrying on. So I have some white here, and I'm not going to put it on the wet paint, and I'm just going to do a travelling ring pour. So what I want to do is just throw these colours in like that. The only colour that has any silicone in it at all is this turquoise, which I'm now pouring in. And that might do. See how we go. I've still got some more colour there. So here we go. I'll turn it around so I get a bit of colour. And the light is now showing its little self. Is that? Right. I think that's going to be nice. That there. And I don't mind if some of this charcoal stays on, because I really like it. Come off. I can see I have a lot of air bubbles. Just bringing it over there to that corner, I think. Bring it down. Bring it down this way. Take it off that corner. Okay. Now we're looking at something here. Take it a bit more this corner. Okay, I'm going to drag that down a bit more. Turn it around so I can see it a bit better. Hopefully some of those stripy bits will come down. Taking its time, but it is doing it. Very humid here today. Winston's a bit overexcited. He's just come back from the hairdresser. He looks so handsome. Right, so what I'm going to do is just move that so that I can do this. Old car. now I'm going to take it back the other way and drag the gold down. This is so pretty. Just giving it a little hand with the colours. Gold is starting to come down now. This part always takes a minute. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. And that can get down there. I'll bring this back. Just check to see that you're online. So you are. And whilst I like it, it needs something else. So with the blue and the turquoise and the gold, I think it has enough white. Maybe just a tad of white in the middle, and it'll only be a tad because that's all that's left. I'm going to do a little ring pour. Right, so just getting these colours in, the last of them. Right. And we'll see how we go here. And a little run around. Right, and then straight down this edge. And then back. Moving back now. Okay, what do we got? Down a bit more, I think. Get some of that blue down there. Okay, I'm happy. I like that. Yep. Sometimes you just have to do that a little bit extra. And I'm just making sure my corners are covered. No fingerprints. Now I'm just going to give it a little torch and see if I have any cells. Not that I really care, because I think this is really quite nice the way it is. I'm not really, I mean, I don't care if I get cells, but I'll wipe my hands off first, I think. Right. So, here we go with the torch. Okay, not a lot of cells, which is good, because I like the lines that I have on this one, but there was a lot of air bubbles, so I've managed to get rid of those, which is good. And this one is very interesting. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And that's what I've been looking at. And my little ringy pour. This gold is really sparkling already. And then my lines, which I think are handsome. I like lines. The turquoise and cobalt go really beautiful together. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.